Hey guys, this is Jeff here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock all the buttons that's on the Lumix S5. Let's get into it. I love the camera because it's so small and compact, but at the same time, its strength can sometimes be its weakness. So let's say because the body is so small, they had to put all the buttons close to each other, which means a lot of the time I find that when I'm recording, sometimes my finger will just switch a setting that I didn't want to change. And it's important settings like your shutter speed or your shutter angle, things that you don't want to change while you're recording. Let me just get in the camera right now and show you how to do this. Here's the best way I found to do it. Usually I customize one of the buttons, especially for me, it's the Q button that I customize to lock all the buttons for me. So for example, I hold on the button and then usually you'll go to this menu there. And what you do, you just go and you go to this, you scroll down there until you find this operation lock. So that's the button, that's the option that's gonna lock everything that's on the Lumix except the recording button. Guys, I had to pause the video for a little bit, but hear me out here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this. My goal is to have 2,000 subscribers for the end of this year, and I can't do this without you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing. If you have any question about the Lumix S5, leave it in the comment below. I will make sure that I get to it and answer to it. Thank you so much. Let's go back to the video now. Let me just show you how it works. So I select that. So let's say now I'm recording with it on. See, now look at my shutter angle there, it's changing, and that's gonna affect and even my shutter speed right now, and that's gonna affect my video that I'm recording. But I don't want that to happen. I want it to be just when I want it to change it, I can change it, but I don't want it to be changed accidentally like that. So what I do, I activate that, and then it said operation lock. What that means, all the other buttons are not functional except the recording button. So for example, I press the recording button right now, and look at that. I can record, but I'm not gonna accidentally change the setting, and that's not gonna affect my camera. If you want to know the most powerful button on the Lumix S5, click on this video and I will see you there.